Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Behringer's Synthtribe app to control your Behringer synths and update the firmware and change the settings, that kind of thing. Okay, first of all, to download the Synthtribe app, you can download straight from Behringer's website. Just go there, type in Synthtribe in the search bar, and this is universal, so you can download any of those. It's also available on the App Store for Mac. Just type in Synthtribe and you can download it from there as well. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure your synths are connected via USB. I'm going to open up the Synthtribe app, and as you can see, it spotted my Pro 1, Crave, Model D and SY-1 straight away. Let's check out the Model D. So as you can see, we've got access to all these parameters here, key priority. This is where we can also change the MIDI channel. We can disable those little DIN switches on the back there and set the MIDI channel from here. I actually use this to change the pitch bend to 2 semitones because it defaults to 12, which is kind of crazy. We can restore the factory settings here, check for firmware updates there, we're all up to date. Click back, and let's check out the Syncussion. Okay, so this is where you can change the mode. I have my SY-1 set to mode 2, so I've effectively got 2 separate synths on 2 separate MIDI channels. Again, check for firmware updates, we're all up to date. Okay, let's have a look at the Crave now, because this is really cool. If we go to Sequencer, we've got access to the Crave sequence here, so we can actually store, we can import and export sequences, which is really cool. Okay, that's it. Any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.